Hello, I am Fawad, and in this lecture I will tell you that how you can use Boolean values in Python. In Python we often want to know that whether a specific expression that we have written, while it is true or it is false. In order to do that, I will write some instructions, a few instructions in Python language, and Python will tell me that whether they are true or they are false. So I will write some code. For example, if I write that 9 is greater than 10 and I run this line, it tell me that this is a false statement. And if I write 10 is greater than 3 and I run this expression, so this is a true expression. Similarly, if I write that whether 10 is equal to 7, it will tell me that this expression is wrong. Moreover, if I write 1 is less than 7, will be a true statement. So every instruction, this portion contain an instruction. Every instruction in Python is evaluated, and then Python evaluate that instruction and give an output that whether this instruction is false or this is true. Now we are going to have some more detailed practice on it. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. If A is greater than B, print A is greater than B, else print A is not greater than B. And now if I run this code, since A is less than B, so this statement should be evaluated and returned. Okay, there is an error which I have so you might have seen that Python is very sensitive to indentation. When there was one tab space over there, so the Python has returned an error at line number 5. That at line number 5 where I have written else double colon, it is an invalid syntax. So I removed the space and executed the code, and then it returned me an output that the else portion of the statement is true. If I change the value of A from 5 to 50, then you can see the value of A is greater than B, so this statement is true and the other statement are false. So this portion of the print display will be shown in the output window. Okay, this was all about the Python logical operations. In the next video I will tell you that how can use the Python operator. Stay tuned to the next video.